off the camera. It's not your birthday. Hey fam. So today is Emmy's birthday and it is her sweet 16. Whoop whoop. Just wanted to show you the decorations. Now, normally our tradition is to decorate the table while the kids are at school, but she decided to stay home today because her hair, oh my god. Now the plan was to surprise her when she got home to see all of her decorations. That's our tradition, is to decorate the table, and then when they get home from school they'll be able to see it. So this theme of her birthday this year was disco. You see the little disco ball over there, and she loves pink and she loves gray, so I thought this would be really cute and fitting for her. Now y'all, this right here drove me nuts. It's supposed to be a table runner. Now, I thought it was supposed to be a tablecloth that goes on top of this too. But no, it was 4 packs of the table runner by itself. So what I had to do was I had to use 2 of these to go on top of the table, and then 2 around. Now, mind you, I'm sick, so I'm kind of glad she did stay home because this was a lot to do. And then her disco plates. This is going to go on top of her cake, and this is a banner, so she can actually stand this up and take a picture. So right now my husband daddy went to go get her cake. We ordered the viral TikTok cake. It's one of those heart-shaped cakes. Her birthday is right before Valentine's Day, which is special because she'll get all of like the heart-shaped theme, different decorations. And I thought that was real cute. So once they bring the cake in here, I'll go ahead and get that. But this is supposed to be like a little star. Now my dang on balloon machine was tripping. On top of it, I didn't have the right piece to keep that going. But now my husband was asleep, so I ended up having to stand on top of this table to be able to put that banner up there. And then me blew up the balloons and did the arch. Husband helped as well with that too, but I'll come back once the cake comes so you can see the final touches on that we're going to do as well. So here's her cake, and I thought this was going to be a lot bigger, but it says Aquarius season. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the table. I didn't make her cake this year, so we went on ahead and just bought one. Now I did buy some of this little edible dust from Amazon. It's pink, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this on the cake to give it a nice shimmery effect. Yeah. Now I wish it had like a little shaker piece on there, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of my hand and just sprinkle it on top because I don't want to mess it up. Can you see the little bit that I just added, y'all? So I just put some in my hand and just gonna just sprinkle it around the cake. So I just added some on there. I really want to add a little bit more, but I don't want to get OCD. It's all on my hands now. But I think I'm gonna just put a little bit more, and that's it.
So now she's gonna just put the rest. Dang. It's so cute.
Have you been seeing these cakes on TikTok? These little heart-shaped cakes.
Did y'all end up getting her ice cream cake or Dad's getting that?
No, just got her heart-shaped cake. Have you heard cake topper? I don't know if it's going to be too big or not, y'all. Let me see.
It looks so cute.
Okay. It's just right. Alright, perfect. So happy sweet 16. Let me do it for you. Drop it in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and just take it out of here and just sit this on the table. There you go. So this is the back of the cake. Yeah, it's a heart-shaped cake. It probably smushed up a little bit on that side, but this is nice. I like that they added that little bling touch on the bottom part. We ordered the viral TikTok cake from Walmart for my daughter. Now, it did not come with the shimmer effect at Walmart. Luckily, I have bought this little shimmering glitter right here from Amazon, and we sprinkled some of this on there. So I don't know, maybe it was y'all Walmart that you went to, but my Walmart did not have the glittery effect. And then we put Aquarius season on there.
Beef and white sauce.
Emily's birthday pizza Hut. And then she just put some more glitter on top. What else? And then we got some chips on the table.
I know you see stuff on it.
With some dip right here. And then this is the blue one. Also.
You can't go over there and get it?
And then I added this little snowflake. This is actually a Christmas tree topper. But we just set it on the table to give it a little disco effect.
There's more chicken in it. I'm in my chair.
Okay.
Get your chair before you keep complaining that everyone's in your way.
And then for dinner, she wanted some fajitas. We were supposed to go to Cook and Reel, so we're going to end up doing that this weekend. So we're just going to do a dinner in the house tonight. So we're going to do some fajitas, some steak fajitas. That's what she had wanted. And I'm going to go ahead and get that cooking. But we had some pizza. And this is going to be for later, of course. Alright, so I just cleaned our little crock pot right here, our Black & Decker. Normally pull this out when we're warming up some sauce or some dip. They did just get some cheddar. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in here so it can stay warm. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of these chives just to make it a little festive. And a little bit of this onion powder. Actually, let me see it, Lenny. Alright, now this is the blue one. This is some edible Lester does. So we bought some of these, and we actually have bought them to go in some drinks, or you could put them on top of cupcakes. But they pretty much could go on a lot of different things. But I'm gonna just put a little bit in the nacho dip, y'all, just to make it look a little extra festive. Okay, just to give it a little shimmery feel to it, and just stir it around. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to see it, but probably not. But let me show y'all the drink. The kids just put some in their drink, but I told them not to waste this stuff because these are pretty much $9 a bottle on Amazon. Yeah, so y'all not about to be in here thinking that this is some play stuff. And they pretty much didn't crush some of the pizza.
Imaginary.
Where's
Antoine?
Get Antoine. This man. But I gotta get Emmy in the video real quick, y'all. Come on this side, Emmy, so that way you can see her face. The birthday girl.
Look at that Visco girl. She's a birthday girl.
Yes. The discount. Okay. You wanna hold your cake? Okay. Y'all ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. I'm 16 years old. I'm 16 years old. I'm 16 years old.
May God bless you.
Shoot.
May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Wow, blow up my candle.
Oh, make a wish.
Yeah.